All right, we're shifting our attention now. Thank you, Harish, for joining us with those details. Shifting attention now to visuals coming in of the BJP staging a protest against Mamata Banerjee over her comment on the Mahakumbh. My colleague Ritik joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ritik, Mamata Banerjee had called it Mrityu Kumbh, after which the BJP has taken to the streets. Massive protest breaking out.
Stand by. Well, definitely what we can see that the Mamata Banerjee's Mrityu Kumbh Jive, a day after she referred Mahakumbh festivity with Mrityu Kumbh, that triggered a huge controversy here in Kolkata, and that is grabbing a lot of attention. What we can see at this point in time, we're bringing this live broadcast at Kolkata's Central Avenue. You can see a huge protest erupted over here. We can see that the BJP supporters, just at a stone throw distance from the BJP state headquarters here in Kolkata, they blocked the stretch which is known as the Central Avenue. Those who know about Kolkata, they can easily understand the significance of the Central Avenue. It is heart of the city, the epicenter of the city, where we can see the protests erupted. We are being told that from a short while from now, that Shukanto Mojumdar will be coming to this location, will be arriving. He will be arriving over here. Now, let me tell you that the BJP has decided to this issue further. Tomorrow is the day that has been fixed that Shubhendu Adhikari, leader of the opposition, with Sant Samaj, they are going to protest at the doorstep of assembly. Remember, Mamata Banerjee was addressing and targeted the BJP-led UP government over the ill-preparedness for such a huge festivity that is being that is underway for last couple of weeks and over a month. They're in Uttar Pradesh, and she targeted and referred it as a
In fact, the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also hitting out at Mamata Banerjee, calling her a Sanatan beta for targeting Kumbh. Thank you for joining us with those details, Ritik. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.